In masters,
I can see Shreya, Mayank, Arijit, and Sapna. Nitu has not joined till now.
You can wait for some more time for her to join.
We'll wait for one more minute. It's 1:37. We'll start at 1:38.
Meanwhile, you can guys like gather your thoughts. Okay, try to find some.
See, when you are writing down your points, when you see some topic, write your points against the motion and for the motion. So both for and against you have to write down. For example, if everyone is speaking in favor of the topic, then you get the chance to speak against the topic. And that way you will be noticed by the evaluator. This is not true every time, but whenever you get a chance, you can do that. Okay. Guys, you get 6 minutes, so please start. Your time starts now.
Guys, as you all know, we haven't given much time for this discussion, so I would like to start this discussion. So today's, I think India is ready for these luxury brands because people are running towards brand, and this has been due to many reasons like celebrities, lavish lifestyles of upper class people. Uh, Also, people consider brands as that it will increase it will increase their status. So I think India is ready for luxury stores, and it has luxury
Yeah,
brands
I
have
think
already been popular in India for from a long time.
I
Yeah,
think
for
they
me,
are
Yes,
not
I
they
agree,
are not
Sapna. But the
fully
thing is that
ready
India is
because they're not fully ready
now
because
it's not
even
ready because
after the celebrities are influencing them by the brands, people can't, if they can't afford, they will not buy. So I think people in India are most of the people are below poverty line, and only the few people of higher class and
yes, I do
celebrities
agree
can
with
afford.
Shreya
So that
that
doesn't mean that
India
it
is now.
will grow in India. So
Yes, I do
yeah.
agree with Shreya that India is not ready for the luxury stores like Gucci or Armani in India, because as we see since 2006, uh, the luxury brand Dior, it has started its stores in India, but it has only two stores. One is in Mumbai and one is in New Delhi. So this shows that though celebrities are influencing people, but not a great mass of people are getting influenced, because in India there is a huge population, and in this huge population, maximum of the
Yeah, I would
people are from
like to
lower
add
middle
that
class
only
family or
people
from
are ready
PPL
for the
category.
Yeah, I agree.
think
I
the
agree.
think
But
typical
no, it is
premium brand,
the
the
India.
premium
situation
brands
right
India is
are
now.
not
not for
properly ready
luxury
for.
brands yet, like
India
Gucci
is
and
Yes.
Armani.
Yeah. Can
India
I
is not
speak if you
properly
are?
ready for
A country
luxury
like
brands,
India,
luxury
where
retail stores, as
like the
these are
copies are
only
second
Guys,
copies
only
are
please
being
bought
speak
by
sold
one by
higher
one.
more
higher
than
class
the
of
Guys,
people,
original.
please.
higher class of people, and the poverty line, the BPL, people who consist of poor class are mostly 22% as of now. And this era of time, due to the pandemic,
But I
uh,
think India is
if we
more
talk to
towards
Yeah,
the
correct,
current
counterfeit.
correct.
situation,
Second
talk about
copies
Yeah,
the
are
I
current
more
agree with
situation,
sold
Mayank.
than the
it is
The
not
situation
original
of coronavirus,
original
it
you
is
see the
not
situation of
products.
corona, we should
not
wait
very
for the
successful.
situation.
The thing will be
Yes,
not very successful.
but as we see in
These
abroad
are only
cities,
bought by
there are
higher
20 to
class people.
30 stores. But in India, till now, there are not much stores,
People,
and plus
no doubt,
30%.
people are
Can
brand
you bring
conscious,
your
but not for
microphone away
luxury
from you?
brands.
Because Arjit, can you bring your microphone away from you? Can you keep your microphone, because it's very shrilling. The sound is coming very shrilling.
The 30%
Neetu,
of
we
the
are
goods
wasting time.
outside, outside India, the 30% of the goods are much cheaper that which we get in India, because the luxury brands which come in India, they get expensive, and that is the reason why
But I
people
don't
can't.
think the future of luxury brands in India would be much better than the retail stores that we have in India. People
Yes.
Yes,
still
I
now
totally
have
agree,
the
Shreya.
mentality of buying much in some amount of
Yes.
money. So
But
luxury brands like
another thing
Gucci
is,
and
if we
Armani has
open
like it would be risk for
Yes,
them
I
to be
totally
in
agree,
India.
Shreya, that we have started Make in India policy now in India. So we should use the all the things which we make in India, because the import cost is very high,
Still, people
and
don't depend on that
we get
because
the things very
would you
most
would
very
you like
expensive.
to?
And the not only fashion, on
But
other
still,
segments
we
also, like
can't like depend
different
on the
The
made in
technology
India
luxury,
things.
things
uh,
Like
also,
but
they
the
lack in
we
some
get
cost
it
of
things.
the
very high
luxury
on
brands
No
cost.
are
doubt they
much
lack in
higher.
some things
Guys, please,
that outer
please
country.
give Neetu a chance to speak. A discussion should include all participants. Please give Neetu a chance to speak.
Yeah, thanks for the considering me. It's, I think we should wait for the current situations to get stabilized, because if we are going to open in hurry, it's the most chances is likely to get shut down. Many of the brands which has been opened in hurry has got shut down. I mean, major of the cities like Mumbai,
We are not
Delhi,
talking
Bangalore.
about this situation. We are talking about future, Neetu.
No, we are in 2020. The situation is in this year. We have to. Hello.
Considering this year,
But we are
taking this
talking
year,
about
will
now
be
that
the
will
things will be
this
changed
be
from
a
now.
successful
Things will be
for
changed
them?
from
No,
now.
it will change, but
Because
so
people
the
still go
luxury
for
brands will get
counterfeits, the
more
copied
expensive.
pieces of
It will be
Gucci
more
bags and
expensive now
Armani shoes.
after this
So I
Yes,
don't
coronavirus.
think
yes, I agree. Yeah, people are already crazy
even
with these brands.
we still
Gucci,
have the
Armani.
mentality of buying the second copy and third copy and fourth copy of the brands. We just want to flaunt the brands. Doesn't matter if the brands is original or not. So like Gucci,
Yes, I
Armani,
agree, Shreya.
most of the people in India can't afford. So I think
Yes.
people, it will be a risk for this company brands to settle in India.
Open stores there.
Yes, I agree, Shreya.
Yeah.
As only the higher class people can afford these brands, and mostly
Yes.
luxury brands are taken by celebrities and other higher class people, the company CEOs, for example, and these happen mostly.
Which is very less in
Yes,
our country.
exactly.
So the profit is going to be very less. The creamy
So
layer
All
is
right,
very
guys.
less in
The
our
time is
country.
up.
Time up.
Time is up
as
now.
Sapna said,
The time is
Time
up now. All right, Naveen sir, we'll take your feedback on this discussion.
Okay. Sapna, good initiative you started and you also showed leadership skills, but you need to increase your content. You need to work on your content part.
Okay, sir.
Arijit, first you spoke against the topic that India is not ready for these stores, and for a moment you spoke in favor, which was not good. Because this topic is so clear that either you have to speak in favor or in against topic. So if you are speaking against the topic, don't come in favor. Mayank, I think your data is not correct. Only 22% people are poor.
Sir,
And
below poverty line.
I think you need to recheck this also. And Make in India was out of topic thing. We are talking about luxury brand. Make in India should not come. If you see, if you name some of the brands, you will find that most of the brands are from other countries. India has very less brands. So Make in India won't come here.
Okay, sir.
Shreya, you are good content wise, but you need to see the timing, when to speak, when not to speak. Every time you don't have to speak. Okay, Neetu, you need to increase your content and be clear. Akhilesh sir,
The discussion was good, but I think yes, some as mentioned by Naveen sir, some of you swayed away from the points. Rijit, you need to keep the mic at appropriate distance. Like when you keep speaking before, the mic was too close, and later on when Neetu pointed out, the mic went too far. That means your voice was not very much audible. Second thing is very good initiative by Sapna, where she was moderating the whole GD, and she was giving a chance to everybody. But most of you lagged the content. You know, you're speaking, but you're just beating around the bush. All right. So try to speak to the content. Why should Indian brands, luxury brands like Gucci and Armani, if they come to India, why will they survive, or why will they thrive, or why will they not thrive?
Okay, sir.
Some of you gave good examples as that there are 2 stores or 3 stores in India, but okay, why? Is it expected to grow, or is it expected to go back to zero? Okay, so this analysis has to be there, that you try to be more intuitive and try to put in more points, more content. Okay, give examples, cite examples as to from, okay, why this is supposed to fail. They, like, taking some, like maybe you're taking Gucci. Is it there in India? If, and what people priorities, are they willing to buy? Okay? People's disposable cash has increased. So are we, even if the disposable cash has increased, are they going to buy these products? Okay, so all these things are a matter of discussion. All right, so
Sir,
try to,
sir,
yes please.
can we see the coronavirus situation, including we will
See,
include
that's
this
your
situation.
opinion, like, but you have to validate your points. If you're saying coronavirus, okay, good, but can you validate your points in the discussion?
I said, sir, the economic situation is going down. So in this situation, if you're going to open, then obviously it will affect the situation. So
Situation,
I
see,
think,
coronavirus will affect everything. How is it going to affect the luxury market? You have to point out that. Be specific.
see,
Okay.
if you see, if you speak about luxury brands, their target market is not masses or millennials. Their target market is different. And those people are not going to be poor because of coronavirus. You need to understand this. Those people who are earning 3 lakh rupees per month, they are not going to be poor. Only those people who earn 3 to 5,000 per month, their life is affected. Everyone is affected. But target market of luxury brands is entirely different. They don't target masses.
And again, like, luxury brand is not a choice for them. It's lifestyle for them. For this market where these brands cater to, it's lifestyle. It's like we buying US Polo and Ayado as part of our everyday clothing. It's similarly, Gucci and Armani is part of their everyday clothing. Okay, of course backed by other brands, but of course it's part of their lifestyle. Okay, so of course they are earning so well, it's not going to affect so much over there, right? So you have to understand the market as to which context you're speaking.
Yes, sir. That's why I gave example of celebrities and upper class people.
All right. So Naveen sir, anything else that we need to say now apart from this feedback?
Yes, so for today's discussion, this is for everyone. Improve your listening skills. Listen and then speak. And if topic is something like that, you can speak either in favor of the topic or against the topic, continue with that. Don't deviate.
Sir, if you're going to listen, then nobody is going to let us speak, sir, because of everybody is like they're raising their voice. Even if I was not able to listen the what they are speaking also.
This
So if you
listening
listen,
is, this instruction was for those people who only believe in speaking. There are some participants who don't listen, they just speak. So this instruction was for those participants.
okay, sir.
And you don't have to agree on every point. You can always disagree. If you don't agree with some points, you can say, I don't agree with this. I think this can be the solution and this should happen. This is my view. This was for Avinash because he was agreeing on every point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some people, they don't want to improve. I don't know why. They always have some problem, network problem, noise issue, something. Before the class, make something. Keep 2 phones with you. There won't be any problem. If there is network problem in one phone, you can use other phone. And why does this network problem come with certain people, not with everyone? Guys, read articles related to fashion, economy, sustainability, environment, everything. That way you can increase your content. If you want to put data in your discussion, you need to read those articles. Because data makes you strong, but data should be correct. I think this data is wrong when Mayank said 22% people are BPL. I need to recheck. I'm not confirmed.
Sir, I checked it in Wikipedia.
Okay. Okay.
And also there is a need to improve your vocab. Running away from this and try to be more specific to as to what you mean when you speak. Okay, some of the things that you throughout the session, some of the things that you say do not make much sense. It's like common language used. Try to be more specific as to what the words mean. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you everyone for joining Ignite India.
Sir, Naveen, sir, I have a small doubt. Can I ask?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Actually, yesterday UGC told that for freshers joining, colleges will be in September and all the entrance exams will be in August. Is that true, sir?
NIF doesn't come under UGC.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just a moment here. So we again, as I said, until unless NIFT officially gives you some directives, we are not in position or nobody is in a position to say anything as such. All right. So any communication that will be passed on to you, it will be passed on from NIFT only. So it does not make sense trying to ask about these discussions every now and then because again, it's a very vague information right now. All right. So try to wait for direct information directly from NIFT. It will be communicated to you through mail. All right. So Naveen sir, we shall conclude the meeting for today.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining Ignite India. Ignite India is the largest platform for design education. You can watch all our videos on YouTube. It will be uploaded there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.